also switch S1 controlled by 2 bulb on, okay, off. Okay, this is a two-way switch. Three-way switch. Three-way switch controlled by two bulb. It's on. Okay, off. The other way. Okay, on. Then off to the other way. Okay.
So, good afternoon everyone. This is our workshop for today now. So this is our diagram and we put it here in the board to connect final. So we have two parallel lamps control in two location and one lamp single switch. So first, this is the switch of
Three-way.
So okay. Off. On. Off. This is the single switch, single lamp. So okay.
Ulan na ulan.
So that's all. Thank you.
Okay.
Three lamps controlled in three locations. First is the single switch, another single switch, and then one lamp controlled in two locations. And one.
Okay, go!
Okay.
So, good afternoon everyone. So our activity today, three lamps controlled in three locations. So we have here a single switch, another single switch, and then a three-way switch.
Okay.
This is our work, and this is our schematic diagram. First is the single pole switch, and then the two gum switch is the single pole and three-way switch, and the next is the three-way switch. So first is our single pole switch. If we on this, it will be light and then off. And this is our single pole switch. Next, this is a three-way switch. Then we can off this switch. Then we can also on this and we can off this three-way switch. Yeah. So that's all.
Ngapon sa tanan na mo ni ang kuana mo sa S3-way, duha ka buok na gi parallel, then napod tay single switch na gi parallel pod. Mo ni ang diagram. Then testingan nato ang una ang single na nakaparallel sa duha ka lamps. Okay, on. Then sa S3-way na switch, nagi-parallel pod ang kaning bulb 1 o bulb 4. Then okay, thank you. Mabilis.
This is our work for today. So two parallel lamp controlled in two location and one lamp controlled in one location. First, we must try the three-way switch.
On. Off. On. Because. Off. On. Off.
And one lamp controlled in one location.
On. Off. On.
Ilan ka na?
On.
Magpas lang kalingon. Wala nang paspak.
Magka.
Good afternoon everyone. This is two parallel lamps controlled in two location and one lamp single switch. And this is our schematic diagram. This is the switch for three-way. On. And this is the other three-way switch. Off. On. Off. And this is our single switch.